Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix cannot perform the action you request. Try again later problem in Facebook Lite. Okay, see, this is the problem of cannot perform the action you request. Try again later. How to fix it? Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down, then click on the apps icon and now search here Facebook Lite app and click on the Facebook Lite and scroll down. Now click on the storage option and clear check and clear data, delete the data. Okay, back and then click on the permission option and allow all permission. Call logs allow, camera allow, and contacts allow, location allow, microphone allow, phone allow, photos and videos allow. Okay, back and second step, open your Google Play Store and now search here Facebook Lite. Click on the Facebook Lite. My Facebook Lite already updated. Okay, back and third step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone, and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.